How to call someone in Microsoft Teams. Hello, everybody. If you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow this step by step process. So, first of all, you may go ahead and open up the Microsoft Teams account and basically log in into the account of your Microsoft Teams. And in order to call someone, you can directly initiate a call from a chat. So you can just head over to the chat from your screen and locate up the person that you would like to chat with. For example, this person right here. If you can't find them on this chat page, you can use the search bar at the top and search for the person that you want to call. So for example, I would like to call this person right here. So all you gotta do is, if you're already in the chat with the person, you can just go ahead and tap on the video call icon or the audio call button at the very top right corner. You should be finding two buttons with the video call icon and a call option. So you can just go ahead and do that. If not, you can just go ahead and start a chat with the person, and then you can just go ahead and start up a video call or audio call after that. Otherwise, you can head back and we have this option right here in the bottom right. So you can find this pen icon. You can enter the name or phone number, email directly here. After that, click call, and that should also probably work. And that is it. You may also hover over to the person's profile photo anywhere in Teams and look out for the call option again. So that's it for now. You may also follow the same process if you want to call someone on Microsoft Teams. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.